Sobrang excited na ako makanood at makabisita sa Harry Potter dito sa Tokyo, Japan. From Sumida kung saan kami nagsistay, we rode the train for 1 hour. Sobrang excited ko kasi Potterhead ako ever since I was a kid. Pero alam niyo ba, oh my gosh, mali yung napuntahan namin. Kasi dalawa yung ticket na binook namin sa Klook. Yung isa is theater play, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child show. That will start at 12:15 and nandun kami 12 o'clock pa lang. Tapos itong second ticket namin, ito talaga yung pang Warner Bros. Kung nasan kami ngayon. Pero 5 p.m. pa. Akala kasi namin same venue yung show. At yung The Making of Harry Potter. Hindi kasi namin double check sa Klook, which is nasa ACT Theater. It's 15 minutes away from where we are right now. And 12:15 yung start ng show. So we're very late but we need to go kasi sayang din yung ticket, mahal yun. It's around 6K pesos. So ito na yung pinakamalapit na station, which is the Toshimin Station. Look at the train. Very Harry Potter themed. After 15 minutes compute and transfer ng trains, nakarating na kami sa Akasaka Station. Very Harry Potter din. Super ganda dito. Look at that big time turner! Papasok na kami sa ACT Theater, which is this building. By the way, you can get the tickets on Klook and you can use this code for 5% discount. Naghintay muna kami sa labas kasi bawal kami pumasok. Kasi ongoing na yung play. So, hihintayin namin yung break ulit para makapasok kami. So, this is a theater play in Japanese. Ang alam ko, to get an English audio, mag-a-ask kayo dun sa mga staff for a translation. So, baka bibigyan kayo ng headset para ma-pick up nyo yung mga sinasabi sa play na live. Pero late na kami kaya hindi na kami nakahingi kasi nagmamadali na kami. Ayun guys, I did not take any videos during the play kasi bawal. Third break pa lang to, pero gandang-ganda na ako. So, ito na nga, tapos na yung play. All I can say is pusang gala. Sobrang ganda kahit hindi ko naintindihan. Pero naintindihan ko kasi familiar naman ako sa Harry Potter. Kahit ni Hongo yung sinasabi nila, pero sobrang galing talaga nila as in. I was crying. Yung production, grabe, sobrang it's so magical and yung acting nila, so galing talaga. Parang totoo yung mga dementors, lahat ng spells, pati fire, pati yung levitation, grabe. Sobrang graceful. It's worth every penny. Around 4 p.m. natapos yung play. At sa katabi ng ACT Theater, merong Harry Potter Cafe. Pero hindi kami nakakain dito dahil for reservation lang to. At walang free table kung walk-in. After Akasaka, bumalik ulit kami sa Warner Bros. The Making of Harry Potter. Part 2 ng pagpunta ngayon, legit na. Bago ka makapasok, pwede ka mag-rent ng headphones na may kasamang phone na parang siya na yung tour guide mo. So, ito yung common area before ka makapasok dun sa main area. Meron din kainan. Ito na nga ang tour entrance. Ayan na meron kang sariling phone na pwede mong pindot-pindutin at pakinggan sa kada section kung nasan ka. Since ito ay The Making of Harry Potter, makikita mo talaga dito kung paano ginawa ang Harry Potter. At kung sino ang mga taong nasa likod nito. Hindi lang si J.K. Rowling, okay? Sobrang excited na ako makapasok sa Great Hall. Para ka talagang nasa movie at estudyante ng Hogwarts. Ayan sila Dumbledore at McGonagall. Sobrang amazing, gaya talaga nila. Tapos gumagalaw talaga yung moving staircase. Pero syempre bawal yan akyatin. Makikita mo rin dito ang Fat Lady. Yung kailangan mo na password bago ka makapasok sa Gryffindor's common room. Stairs pa akyat sa kwarto nila Harry. Kung naalala niyo yung scene sa book 1, ayan yun. Ito naman yung Slytherin's common room. Definitely that's Crabbe and Goyle, katulang ulo. Pwede rin kayo pumila dito sa Quidditch filming experience. So mag-a-act kayo dyan, tapos i-edit kayo na parang nasa movie talaga kayo. Kayo yung audience nila while playing Quidditch. Mga mannequin sa book 4, Cedric Diggory and Victor Crumb. Ito naman yung pensive ko saan mo pwede i-review ang mga memories mo. Baka pwede yan for review. You could also see the headmaster's office. Ayun no, si Fox, the Phoenix. Ito yung entrance sa headmaster's office, pero syempre hindi na umakyat yung stairs. There's also a heck of a room for potions class. You could check their wands, the face masks of the Death Eaters, na pwede ka mag-add ng sayo at i-edit mo, modify. Tapos lalabas siya dun sa gallery ng mga face mask. I mean, ng mga Death Eater face mask. Ayun na yung akin. Ang gown ni Hermione, the Defense Against Dark Arts classroom, the Mirror of Erised. Pwede ka mag-selfie. Professor Lupin and the Boggart Cabinet, si Lockhart, si Umbridge. Tapos papasok na kami sa Forbidden Forest. Kung gaano kalalaki yung puno, ganun talaga malaki. Ayan sila Hagrid and Buckbeak, the Jam, the Flying Car, mga Centaurs, interactive Dementors, as in parang kukunin yung kaluluwa mo. At pwede ka rin mag-cast ng Patronus Charm. Kailangan mo syempre ng wand. Expecto Patronum! Sa Forbidden Forest, makikita mo din syempre si Aragog, the best friend of Hagrid, napakalaking spider. As in, literal na giant spider sila ha. Pagkalabas ng Forbidden Forest, makikita natin ang bahay ni Hagrid. Sa likod ng bahay, yung open space, kaya makita mo rin yung loob niya. Tapos pwede rin tayo magpa-picture sa flying car. Guys, kalahati pa lang to. So sa gitna, merong cafeteria na pwede kang bumili ng butterbeer and popcorn and other snacks. Syempre, alam nilang magugutom kayo. Napakahaba at napakalaki ba naman ng tour. You could also experience walking through yung yung sikat na wooden bridge. Magmuni-muni or pictorial kayo dyan. Nakikita niyo rin ang giant chest from Sorcerer's Stone. Nandito rin ang bahay ni Harry Potter. Bahay ng tita niya, yung 4 Privet Drive. And then we could also check the famous cupboard kung saan natutulog si Harry Potter. Ang kanyang kwarto. Oh my gosh, I can't believe na nakita ko na siya in person. I am so freaking happy. Tapos ito yung madaming letters na pinadala. Kasi hindi pinapabasa ng kanyang aunt and uncle. Here's Vernon and his sister Marjorie na lumobo. Nandito rin yung night bus. Na pwede ka lang pumasok sa may gilid at magpa-picture. At syempre, ang 9 3/4. The train station of the wizard and witch students. Medyo mahaba pila dito para magpa-picture. Pero syempre, it's worth it. Ang ganda ng hair at outfit niya, SKL. And also sa may train station, there's also a gift shop where you can buy. And for keeps talaga yung paper bag nila. We also visited the inside of the train. Ang Book 1, Oculus Reparo. Book 2, Book 3 with the Dementors and Professor Lupin. Book 4 and Book 5. Hello, Luna Lovegood. Itong section naman ng tour ay yung work. The details of the construction. Kung paano nila ginawa. Na ganung itsura ng mga walls. Or stones or rocks. Kung ano yung proseso ng paggagawa ng logo. And all that stuff. Ministry of Magic. Yes, nasa Ministry of Magic na tayo. You could also try with Smokey yung flu network nila. Ito yung transportation nila. Remember niyo yung flu powder? Diagonal. Pero ito sa Ministry of Magic. Look at the freaking statue. It's so detailed. Yan yung mga offices nila. And oh my gosh, feeling mo talaga nandyan ka. Tapos pinakita din nila yung mga prosthetics na ginamit nila. Para mukhang totoo talaga. You also watch the green screen that they use. Nandito na nga tayo sa Diagon Alley. This is so nostalgic. Wow, nostalgic. Remember yung store nila Fred and George? Parang model yung nasa harap pa. The details. Kung naalala nyo, ito rin yung Family Tree ni Sirius Black. And here's a sample of the Marauders map. Mischief managed. And at last, nakapunta rin tayo sa Hogwarts. The landscape of Hogwarts. Syempre, hindi to life-size, pero malaki pa rin ng details. It's so magical, nakakaiyak. Ito yung pinagtakbo-takbuhan nila kung saan sinuntok si Draco Malfoy ni Hermione Granger. Ang ganda talaga, I swear. Sana dito ako mag-school. And then sa may exit, meron ulit napakalaking gift shop. Akala ko isa lang, nandun sa may 9 3/4 station. Pero ito, sobrang mas malaki variety ng products. As in, feeling ko lahat ng Harry Potter products nandito na you can buy. Gusto ko siya bilhin lahat. Gusto ko magkaroon ng isang kwarto dedicated only for Harry Potter. Pero di na ako bumili dito. Ang cute na Hedwig one. And at last, nakakaan na rin tayo ng maayos na dinner. It's about 9 p.m. na. Sobrang nakakapagod. I bought pancit or noodles and the cake in Starbucks because it was my birthday.